Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing some painting on my sister's truck. There's Lauren. And yeah, sorry for not uploading in a few weeks. I've been really busy, and actually I didn't have much ideas to do.
So what we're doing today, it's probably going to be the biggest painting project we've ever done on this truck, okay? So I'm going to show you a photoshopped picture of what we're going to be doing. It's going to kind of be like a preview. We're trying to make the truck look like this. Don't know how well you can see that. See, we got black, pink, then the white on top. That's what we're trying to do right now. So we are starting with this. We're just gonna, like, this is like the starting area. We're gonna, if any mistakes are made, it'll be okay because it's just a small area. So what we're gonna do is we mask this off completely, and we're gonna start doing some pink here, and then after that we're gonna put black here.
All right. So yeah, sounds pretty cool. If you want to know how we done these rims, I'll leave a link in the description for you to see that video. It's pretty neat. Here's the paint we're going to be using. This is the pink paint we're going to be using. We don't have much, so we may have to go back to the store and get some more. Here's the black paint she bought. Then we got some clear coat. Keep in mind, she spent over $92 on paint.
Yeah, I did. I bought a lot of cans because we're gonna need a lot for this job.
All right. So I guess we're gonna start paint. We're gonna start spraying. Oh, we need to
yeah.
clean it off first. Making it smooth with the paint. She's put on the mask. She don't want my breathing and stuff in. And we're gonna start painting. So yeah, here we go. You ready?
Yeah, hang on. Can't breathe very well on these things.
Okay.
I don't want to get any on my nice rims.
It's good.
If you see any going on the rims, please tell me. Sort of is.
There's a goddamn wasp again.
Where?
Somewhere.
Okay, that's really wet, so I'm gonna leave that for a minute.
Yeah, that's wet. Alright, so here's what we've done so far. So I would say it's about an hour and a half since I last showed you guys this. Here's what we've done so far. It's pretty nice so far.
We're running on pink.
We've been having some problems with this wasp. It's like making some nest under the truck, and it's not wanting to leave us alone, so it's taking us longer.
Oh, wind's blowing.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna finish this up. Okay, guys, we're done with the this side on the pink. Here's what it looks like with the tape peeled off. We're gonna peel some. Oh, little mess up right there. Oh well. We're gonna peel some tape off for you guys.
It's very satisfying. Watch. Here we go.
Hey, wait! I can't see it.
Oh, here.
Go on there. There we go. Oh yeah, that doesn't get any better. After a hard day of work, this is what you want to see. Don't worry, the bottom part's gonna be black, like we said.
Yeah, it looks bad right now, but don't worry, it'll look really good.
Ooh,
By the time we're done.
that's clean.
You know what? It actually kind of looks neat right now, like it has a double stripe. See what
I know.
That's not a bad look either.
Yeah, I was almost thinking you should keep the white stripe.
Should I or should no? I don't know. That might look weird.
I don't know. Alright, so it is the next day, and we're going to Walmart because we need more paint. We ran out, and yeah, we
Make
need
this
some.
quick.
So I'll get some clips in Walmart showing what paint we get.
Alright, so we're here at Walmart and we're getting a fresh can of pink paint because we ran out.
What kind do you always get?
Berry pink. They're playing a really good song right now. I think we only need one can, right?
Well, we're doing the bumper on the other side. I might as well grab two. Look at that, $4. It saves.
Just don't remind me, okay?
Walmart actually does have a
I
nice
don't know if you
there.
guys know, but yesterday I spent $92 on spray paint. And it was at Advanced Auto Parts, and that's why I'm kind of wishing I went here instead. See which prices?
Hey guys, we're going home from Walmart. She got two paints, and I got something that I'm not gonna say right now. That's gonna be a surprise if it works, right?
Yeah. So I'm kind of focusing on getting home right now. So we're gonna get home and we're gonna start painting and we're gonna have fun. So see you then.
Yep, we'll see you, yeah, whatever. Hey guys, we are back from Walmart. We're gonna start painting. Got our paint. I did put a strip of tape right there, so I'm gonna do the rest. So yeah. Guys, this is where we are after one can. It's pretty nice.
Great.
We're gonna take a break and get something for dinner.
Yep.
So I'll see you guys after that. Guys, here's what it looks like when it's done. Looks pretty nice. And the rest we have to peel off, so we're gonna do that right now. Get that nice peel.
Oh no.
Check this out. Ooh. It's stuck. Hey, that's like really stuck. Oh, geez, one piece. There we go. From a Photoshop picture, it actually came true.
Not quite, we're not done.
Oh yeah.
Still gotta do the bumper and the other side.
We got the bumper. It looks bad right now. It will look good. It's done. And the whole other side. One side took us 2 days.
Well, mostly because,
The masking tape was going all over the place. Okay, so I guess I'll see you guys when we do either the bumper or next side. I'm not sure which one comes next. actually a few days, I would say a few days later after I showed you guys the work we done on the painting job on this. It's all done. We just got done with it now. It's been a few days since we showed you this because we had a big storm come by and there's lots of rain and we couldn't do that when we were painting. So I'm gonna bring you guys some clips and I hope you guys enjoy this.